Have you eaten rice today? Then this may surprise you. A 2025 Consumers Report investigation tested 52 rice products sold across United States. Every single sample contained inorganic arsenic, the toxic form of arsenic that has been linked to bladder, lung, and skin cancers, cardiovascular disease, and type 2 diabetes after long-term exposure. Even more concerning, over 40% of rice products contain more than 100 parts per billion of inorganic arsenic. There is currently no federal safety limit for arsenic in rice sold to adults. The only FDA action level is for infant rice cereal because infants are especially vulnerable to arsenic and its effect on the brain development. So if 100 ppb is considered the upper acceptable limit for babies, shouldn't the rest of us also pause and pay attention? Now, before you throw away your rice, don't panic. Rice has nourished billions of people for thousands of years. The goal isn't to stop eating rice. The goal is to learn how to eat it smarter. Today, I'll show you 4 simple science-backed ways to dramatically reduce your arsenic exposure while continuing to enjoy your rice. First is choose your rice wisely. One of the biggest surprises from the Consumer Report investigation was that not all rice contains the same amount of arsenic. In general, brown rice has significantly higher levels of arsenic than white rice. Why? Because arsenic accumulates in the outer bran layer, the very layer that gives the brown rice its extra fiber and nutrients. Almost all brown rice products which were tested exceeded 100 parts per billion of inorganic arsenic, while some white rice varieties contain substantially lower arsenic. Amongst the lower arsenic choices were white basmati rice from India and Thailand, California-grown white rice, California-grown sushi rice. If you eat rice several times a week, simply rotating the type of rice can actually reduce your long-term arsenic exposure. Second is rotate your grains. Rice absorbs much more arsenic than most other grains because it grows in flooded fields. So instead of eating rice every single day, rotate it with other healthy grains such as millets, barley, oats, amaranth, and whole wheat. This is actually an ancient Ayurvedic principle. Ayurveda encourages dietary diversity rather than depending heavily on one single grain. The more diverse your grains, the lower your cumulative risk of exposure to any contaminant and better metabolic outcomes. Method number 3, use the parboiling method. This may be the most effective kitchen trick of all. Instead of cooking the rice directly, bring a large pot of water to a boil, add the rice, boil it for 5 minutes, then drain away that water completely, add fresh water, and cook your rice till it is done. Studies have shown that this simple parboiling technique can remove about 50 to 70% of inorganic arsenic, depending on the variety of rice. Here's another tip. If you soak your rice overnight before cooking, then rinse it and cook it in fresh water. This can also reduce arsenic levels by up to 10% while improving mineral absorption and lowering phytic acid. I made an entire video explaining the science behind soaking grains, so please be sure to check out that one. The last and the 4th method is to support your body's natural detox system. Much of its damage happens because it increases oxidative stress and inflammation. That's where your daily diet matters. Herbs like coriander, fresh cilantro, and cumin have been traditionally used to support body's natural cleansing pathways. Coriander seed tea has been traditionally used as a mild diuretic, and it helps in detoxification of low-level heavy metals from the body. Perhaps the Mayans and the Incas knew the secret and they came up with their traditional cilantro lime rice recipe. The lesson today isn't to fear rice, it's to prepare it intelligently. Remember these 4 steps. Number 1, choose lower arsenic rice whenever possible. Second, rotate rice with other whole grains. Third, parboil your rice and cook it in fresh water. Fourth is eat plenty of antioxidant-rich foods, supporting your body's own detox systems. These small kitchen habits practiced consistently over many years can make a big difference and much better than expensive detox supplements. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe button. Please support our channel by sharing this video with someone who eats rice every day. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and eat smart.